Today I am making paneer bhurji. First I'll heat some oil in a pan. Then I'll add cumin seed and let them roast well. After that I'll add onion. The goal of making this video is for you to learn both cooking and English by watching it. I'll saute the onion until they are cooked well. Then I'll add red chili powder, salt, garam masala, turmeric, and red chili for color. When I added the onions, I also added ginger. So make sure you don't forget the ginger. Next, I'll add tomatoes and chopped green chilies. After that, I'll add peas and a little water, just enough to cook the peas properly. I'm adding water so that the peas don't remain raw. Then I cover the pan with a lid and let it cook. Once everything is cooked, I'll add the paneer, cottage cheese and cook it well. And the paneer bhurji is ready, and garnish it with fresh coriander leaves.